know if it was recording. That's funny. The light is like right where it says recording. Is it recording? Yes. Okay. Look at this huge, gigantic, beautiful snowflake box. I swear, these boxes are so cute. I have the, what was it, the Valentine's Day one? The last one. It had like hearts on it. I still have stuff in it. It's so cute. So, I'm assuming this is the winter box. And I'm so excited. This is a bird. Let's stay in and stamp. That's really cute. And then, of course, it has Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And clearjellystamper.com is where you can find these wonderful products. So, I kind of already peeked in a little bit because, hello, who wouldn't peek in? So, here is all the goodies. Okay. So, not quite sure what comes in the winter box because they might have thrown in some extra goodies as well. But here's one plate, C97. It's a Christmas postage. I'm so excited. Here is a peppermint plate, C100. That one's gonna be so fun. I was just complaining about a good peppermint plate, so that's gonna be fun. Here's this one. It's really, really cute. I like these little images and the nutcracker and the ballerina. And I like these snowflakes. Those are really pretty. So this one is a C98. Sorry, the kids are coming in. Blabbing away about cheese and lunch meat, and it's okay. So anyways, this one I really like. Debbie did a video with this image, and oh my goodness, the colors she used, which I think are on the other side of this, or it was a different plate, I can't remember. It lists the polish she uses, and they are so cute. And I think she did another one like this. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So this is C96. I really like the Christmas cheese, and you get to choose your, you choose your tree, you choose your lights or garland, the decorations, and the topper. Like, that is so cute. And then the little frames. Oh, this is such a good plate. Okay, I'm assuming this has to be the winter box because look, a fuzzy keychain. Oh, with a snowflake. Seriously, how pretty is that? Oh my gosh, I love this. My kids are gonna steal it. I know it. I love that. And then, oh, sticky clear. So you can use this with foil. I guessed it. Okay, so you can see the different designs. They're holographic snowflakes. There's gingerbread here. Oh my god, it's so cute. We're gonna have to roll these out. There's a unicorn. It's magic. This one has moons and like a dream catcher. Oh, that's gonna be really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. And you use it with this sticky stamping polish. If you need help, guys, let me know. We'll do that in a minute. What is this? Oh, a nail brush. Oh, that is so soft. That's nice too. Okay, that's always good to clean your nails. Jelly head. No, replacement jelly heads. Yay! And which means there's always a special one, and I love using the special ones that have like different little glitters inside. They're always so pretty. I was using the Valentine's Day one forever because I love that one. Ooh, look at it. It's like, there's not snowflakes, little tinsel pieces, I think is what it's called. Oh my god, no, there is snowflakes. I thought I saw a snowflake. Oh, that is so pretty. So this is going to be my new favorite because I like the shorter ones for videos. They just look nice. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, super excited. And of course, extra heads. So I'm worried because I've been using press-on nails. So I'm worried I'm like gonna poke it or something. Alright, so we got red, green. Ooh, that's a pretty peachy color. So that's 243S. I wonder if that's, with S, it's usually sticky. But, oh, or sheer, actually. Maybe that's sheer. But look at how pretty that is. And then number 38 is a really dark, pretty green. Like this. I don't think I have this one, so that's going to be really nice. And then the classic 62. It's just a good, perfect red. So just a perfect one. That one's 62. Perfect for Christmas. And a file. Oh, that's going to be like super chunky. Oh, yeah. It's really pretty too. It's got like glitter. Oh, Coco and Claire. No way. That is so cool. So I took it out of the package real quick. But if you don't know, guys, Coco and Claire, it's Debbie's gel polish line, and they have like different stuff. So this is chrome and like it looks like glitter flakies. Oh, that is so exciting. So it's glitter and chrome. Oh, that's so cool. I'm not a gel person, but you can use that with regular polish. So super cool. Oh, and a claw. That's always nice. So I don't have a cotton ball next to me because my kids used them for whatever reason. But anyways, pretend this is like a cotton ball. You just grab it and then, so you don't mess up your nails. These are amazing. And then, oh, okay, so I think these are different. One's Coco and Claire and one's clear jelly. And they're also a different grit. So this one would be super strong, I think, because it's 240 and then 180. Awesome. Those come in super handy. Oh, and cuticle pushers. Oh, they're glittery. That's so pretty. They're like blue. And I finished my other one, and this is the CJS signature, so that's the scent, and it comes in a pin with a little brush, and then you just twist it, and then you put it on your cuticles and rub it in because you want it. It's, I don't know, like the weather where you are, but for me it's really cold and dry right now, so oil is awesome. And then here's a brush, really pretty blue. It's got clear jelly right there. And then that's the size. It's perfect for like cleaning up or painting in, whatever you feel. And then we got polishes. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like this one. I don't know what it is. And look how deep that blue is. That's nice. So this one is $2.59. And this one is $2.60. Really pretty, like almost pinky purpley. $2.61. $2.62. $2.63. Really pretty purple. $2.64. Beautiful blue. And this deep blue. I love that. It's $2.65. So this collection right here is the Enchanted collection. So it comes with those. And then plates. So, oh, this is the one that hangs down with the little snowflakes. And then the little ones that hang in the ornaments. I really like this one. It's really pretty. So this one's $3.76. Oh my goodness. Look at the little snowman hanging. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And the little ho ho ho. That's okay, that's really cute. So this one's C95. Ooh, I love that one. C30. Snowflakes. I like how there's like the fir tree kind of looking ones. But I don't know if they're fir trees, but to me that looks like it, and they're really pretty. I like that a lot. And these ones are like the shapes. And then C14. This is pretty. That'd be pretty across your nails. Snowflakes. That one, if you have long nails, would be pretty on the side. Amazing. Alright, and then 3 more plates. And I was just talking with someone about a really old clear jelly stamper plates. And I have all of them back from when like they first came out. I was just saying how I had the original stamper, all the plates. This one is C7. Super cute little elves and little gingerbread. And then this one is C06. I love that cup. And like the little candles and pine cones and little cute trees. That one, that's a really popular image that I see a lot on nails. So if you have, if you want to do a simple Christmas one, that's perfect. And then C94. Oh, look at a little doll. That's cute. And that, it would be pretty across your nails. That's a nice image too. Okay, so since I was just talking about it and then talking about it again with the old plates, I had to show you guys. This is the very first clear jelly stamper that I received. I think I have another 1 or 2, but look at it. And this is the case or the holder. And then of course it's clear. And you can still see it's a bit firm. So that's what it was before, and now they're super squishy. But oh my gosh, guys, that's so great. And it just came in a little container like this. And think about what it is now. Look at this. That is so crazy. And bigger ones and smaller ones. But yeah, I was so excited about that. Okay, so memories. And look at this. They're cute little socks. And I don't know if they're different colors, but this one is blush. So it came with 2 pairs. Look at how pretty these are. They're really soft and thin. And the bottoms have little grippies on them, so then you don't slide. Oh my gosh, these are really, really pretty. I hope there's different colors too that like match the colors, because I mean that matches the colors. Yay! How exciting. So let me know what you guys want to see like right away, because everything is so insanely awesome that I cannot even decide, because there's just so much, sorry, I hit it, so much good stuff in here with the glitters and the chrome and the polishes and the claw, my fuzzy ball with the snowflake. I almost forgot about that one. We got the brush, which is so soft. And again, I'm not sure if these ones came in here, but I got these ones as well. So that's awesome. So again, let me know what your favorite item is. If you got the box, what you want to see, you need help with something, let me know. All right, so I do have a discount code. It works on not new products, but like however old. So I'm assuming like not new arrivals, but 10% off code is Yvonne. Feel free to use. These are so pretty. And then these ones as well. So excited. So let me know. All right, have a good day. Bye.